Thokozani Makehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Igama lami uMoyane insizwa kaNkosi. Yebo. Uh, Today's topic is all about, we're still on touching base about spirituality. Amadlozi, ukuthi asebenza kanjani. Still there, yeah? I've been occupied. I have been working and working and working. That's why I couldn't get a chance to post some videos so that you can be educated and keep you updated. I apologize for that. Yeah. Today I'd like to talk about Amadlozi. It's all about Amadlozi. Yeah. Did you know that Amadlozi evolve? They evolve on a daily basis. They evolve. They adopt. They adopt in each and everything that we do. Because of, if you can remember this, whatever that they had has evolved. The lifestyle that they had, it has changed. We do not live like they did before. We do not speak like they spoke before. We do not walk like 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 they walked before. You understand? So now they do evolve. They do adopt. They do understand the things that we face on our daily basis, things that challenges us. They do understand that because of they contribute on that. They contribute on certain things that we face on a daily basis. You understand? Here, today onwards, we are able to use our phone and interact and educate and have certain encounters. In this day and age, we we meet along our technologies. Like we meet in each and every single way that you can name. You understand? We meet differently. We just don't meet on the streets. We just don't meet on the taxis or at the mall or wherever. Now we know how to understand each other. We know how to connect via our cell phones, our laptops, our Skypes. We know how to interact. We know how to see. We know how to connect with each other via all this technology. You understand? That's why I say they evolve. That's why we have the ability to read the bones, to read you, to uksola, to consult via phones because of they have evolved. They understand what we're going through. They understand what we see. They understand each and every activity that we do. They understand what's happening today. You understand? They do understand. It's not like they don't understand, they know it. But now, the way siphila ngakhona in this day and age, we putting pressure on them. You understand? Because of, if we do not acknowledge them, if we do not understand, and as much as they acknowledge us, as much as they understand us, why don't we understand them as well? You understand? Why don't we acknowledge them? Why don't we acknowledge that we have the ability to to connect, we have the ability to heal via these technologies? Why most of us don't acknowledge that? That's why we face challenges in this day and age. That's why we face so much challenges, because of they are under pressure, because of we do not want to acknowledge them. You understand? For instance, we do not meet a mistake, no. We meet purposely. It was meant to be. It was meant for you to turn my YouTube channel. It was meant to that because of they have met before. You understand? The reason being, you have subscribed to my channel. The reason being, you watch my videos all the time. The reason being, you like the way I talk. The reason being, you understand and you resonate with whatever that I talk. they have met before. You understand? They have met before. They had a meeting before so that we can meet. So that I, as Moyane, and my ancestors can heal and help your people because of they have met before, they have came across because of in the olden days they didn't have technology. They used to have encounters, they used to pass one another, greet each other at the streets, you understand? So they're still doing that on their side, you understand? And then they will make a point that they use today's technology so that you can meet your spiritual people, your spiritual guides. You understand? So that's why you have the ability to connect with me via a cell phone. You understand? So now they have met, they have talked, they discussed, they understood, and now they are applying. They are applying those principles. They are applying whatever information they have got. They have signed and sealed the deal. So now that's why you have a connection with me. That's why you have a connection with other healers because of their ancestors and your ancestors. They have met. You understand? They agreed on that as a healer. Let's say, for instance, yes, in Nkosi and Nkosi, I have completed my task. Now my task is to heal. You understand? So now, Bonabako, there was a same thing and thing, they're still seeking for help. They met my people. So now, after meeting them, they made a point that by Pegana, by understandana, and they interact, they talk, they have drinks, they have few drinks along, you understand? Like by Kokusana, by Bonusana, and then when they reach an agreement, that's where you start. Like the first person you see me. After seeing me, you dream about me. It simply says that they have agreed that this particular person is gonna help you. You understand? Because of most of isn't this in Zagala today, we expect that sifuna ukuphila njengakudala, like we want to see the house number, we want to see all that, we want to see all, whereas they're using today's technology. You understand? Whereas they use today's tools to make you see how important they want to live with you, how important they want to get help. You understand? They're using today, they're trying to accommodate you because of things have evolved. You understand? So now, isebenza kanjani? Mabahlangene, they expect you to play your part as well. Don't hold back because of you have been shown a lot of times. Hey, this is it, this is it, this is it, this is it. You understand? You've seen a lot of things as in Zalimpilo Nakokota, but still don't understand because of you expecting isn't those Zamando. Understand this? Hey! Hey! Understand this? There's so many healers out there today. There's so many healers, and they don't want to get confused because of Amakanda Waya Sevens. Yeah, they don't want to be confused. They want to be straightforward as much as they straightforward with you, as much as backbone is, as much as they use these tools to make you see how important it is. For instance, in this day and age, you have the ability to pop a phone. Why is that? The reason being phone is because of they telling you that we want to connect with you. They're using a cell phone because of the cell phone. We use it for everything. We use it to connect to the other world. We use it to connect with each other. That's why you have the ability to see a cell phone in your dreams. You understand? Simply means that connect with your own ancestors. It doesn't mean call whoever or whatever. No, it simply means that connect with us, connect with your ancestors so that they can connect with you. So that because they're trying by all means to connect with you, but you understand what I'm saying too. So now it's very important for you to get ukwazi logo, acknowledge it because of it will never change. It's gonna change when certain things change in this world because things do evolve. You understand? So now we connect ngale ndlela leyo. Certain things you see in your dreams is certain things as ezikhona, izinto ezikhona, hayi ezingekho. Dreams work in a mysterious way. Things that you have seen before, things that you seeing now, things that you wanna see in the future. Mabakubonisa izinto is the things lezi kade baphila ngazo, kade zikhona, kade zingekho. You understand? So isebenza kanjalo makhehla, you need to understand that. They're using today's tools to make you understand because they're trying to accommodate you. As much as there's so many healers out there, they want to be straightforward. That's why it's hard for you to dream a person unless you have seen them on a social media page, or you have you had an encounter on the street, or somehow because of they connect, because the Amadlozi they're always with you on a daily basis. They're always with you. But now whatever that you see, nabo bayabona. Whatever that you eat, udla nabo. That's why most of the time you're gonna be constipated because of things that we eat. There's there's so many examples I can place. You understand? So isebenza kanjalo khehla likagogo, you need to understand that ukuthi bayahlangana bayaxoxa. That's why you understand lento engiyishoyo. That's why ukwazi ukubona lento engiyishoyo. You understand? That's why udlula kulento engiyishoyo. You understand? Amabhayi lawa, in the olden days they didn't have amabhayi, they had skins. That's why you have the ability to see lions and those wild animals. In this day and age you can see amabhayi, you can see into zikanje ngoba into zikhona today. You understand what I'm saying to you? So now isebenza kanjalo makhehla, understand that amadlozi wenu, they are accommodating you in each and every single way. Accommodate them before they get angry because of they want you to acknowledge them. That's it. Amadlozi work is not like the Abakhtani. They really love you. That's why they're accommodating you till today. That's about accommodator till today. That's why they're trying by all means so that you can see how important this is to them and to you and to the family. I told them short. So now, kuba nesimo sokuthi futhi you're afraid of being different. What's being different? You are afraid of being different in so many ways. Do you know that in each and every single day that you live, you are being different? You sleep differently, you eat differently, you walk differently, you're different from amongst all. Why, when if you isn't doing Zamadlos, you are afraid of being different? Because of there's no such thing as being different in ezinye samadoda, because if ufila ngathi vele different, your life as it is, it's different from amongst all. You understand? You're different from yonke, the way you cry, you're different. Your name is different from the others. You might have the same name, but it does not mean the same thing. You understand? Don't be afraid of being different, because of if you're doing that, you're running away from your true self. You understand? This is an extraordinary gift. Acknowledge it, love it, be the part of it. You understand? They come employing with pride. That's why they will never mind challenging you each and every single day. They're challenging you with pride because they know what they want, they know what they're worth. Bayazi ukuthi isisindo sabo singakanani. Wena uzohlulwa yini. Don't be afraid of being different. Grow with that. Understand that, because of the minute you discourage yourself is the minute you're letting them down and you're fighting a losing battle. That's why you lose certain things in your life. That's why you lose most of the things in your life. That's why you're gonna be you're gonna feel isolated, you're gonna feel irritated, you're gonna feel all this kind of emotions because of they telling you how they want to do things and they changing you. The minute you reject the gift, it's the minute you being different. The minute you accept the gift, it's the minute you being different in a good way. You understand? That's when you know how to interact with people. That's when you're gonna start being loved. That's when izinto zakho zivuleka, but the minute you reject the gift, it's when your things change. That's when you get different vibes. That's why your things go south. That's how you're being different. You see, we have two difference. A good difference and and a bad difference. Which one do you want? Acknowledge it, understand it, grow with it, then you're gonna be a good different, yeah? So kuve kuhle kudede umnyama kuvela ukukhanya makhehla amadlozi ayamthanda athandeni back. This is not a dirty gift, it's a beautiful gift. You understand? For you to understand it, you must be part of it. So that's the part one of my video. So akubeni kuhle makhehla dede umnyama vele ukhanya sikhuliseni sithandaneni sibonisaneni. Black lives matter, yeah, all lives matter, yeah. So let's be a team. Let's not let's not discourage our ancestors because of they brought you into this world because they know your worth. You need to understand your worth as well, you understand? So akubeni kuhle makhehla kudede umnyama kuvele kukhanya igama lami Moyane insizwa kaNkosi. UNankosi udlula sakanobambo saphinda sabadlukulita. Yena washiya libombo ngokuhlehletela dlamini wekunene. Mina nguNankosi. Thokozani makhehla kubeni kuhle shaya.